Number two, I would say, and I hadn't thought about this much before, but if you are making gifts of very valuable, tangible property during your lifetime, it's not a bad idea to document that so that later on there's not a dispute, because those items, they don't have any ownership papers. There's not a pink slip for a diamond necklace. You've got to somehow document that, no, that's not mine anymore. I, in fact, did give that away. I think that's a good idea. No, and most people don't do that. But again, people who are wealthy have valuable jewelry and they can do that. And number three, this one does apply to many of my clients. If you have someone living with you in your home and they don't own the home, you have got to discuss that in your estate plan. So in this case, I don't know whether he did or not, but if Teresa had to be evicted, it sounds like there wasn't any provision for her, but there could have been a provision that said, my trustee has to give Teresa at least 6 months to move out of my house after my death. Something like that, something thoughtful and human. Those kind of issues have to be covered. Otherwise, the trustee's job is to get anybody who doesn't belong there out. And so a lot of hassle could have been avoided by that.
Thank you for joining us today for another episode of Absolute Trust Talk Live. If you enjoyed listening in, then don't forget to subscribe. You can find us on Apple Podcasts or wherever you may listen by searching Absolute Trust Talk. While you're there, we would also love for you to leave us a review. And then why not share your favorite episodes with family, friends, or colleagues too? You can find all of our shows and corresponding show notes by visiting absolutetrustcounsel.com. You'll also find a variety of other free resources, including our ebooks, videos, blogs, presentations, and more. If you need help with your estate planning or administration, we also offer a free discovery call to help get the process started. You can find more information on booking your session by visiting absolutetrustcounsel.com/scheduling. Don't forget to keep an eye out for our next live episode. If you join us for the broadcast, you can submit questions during the show. But if not, don't worry. You can always get in touch with us by sending a quick message to info@absolutetrustcounsel.com. Thanks again for listening. We'll see you soon.